Hey everyone, it's Sukanya and I'll be showing you how to make this sketchbook slash journal using tape. Recently I came across the Frugal Crafter's journal making tutorial and it's hands down the best tutorial ever because it does not involve stitching or messy glue or book press and no rocket science level calculations. I have linked a video down in the description, so do check it out because obviously that's the video that inspired me to make this sketchbook. So what I'm doing here is cutting my 28 by 20 inches watercolor sheet into smaller parts by folding it into halves. If you have a specific size in mind, then you can cut accordingly. Also, you can use any type of paper you want and not just watercolor paper. And now I will keep the two sheets side by side with their edges in contact and join them with tape. After I'm done taping the first two sheets together, I'll be flipping the right one and then bring a new sheet to join with it. Also, I'm stacking some extra sheets below to bring both sides to the same height and make the gap as little as possible. As you can see, I'll keep repeating these steps until I have taped all of the sheets. Here I measured the thickness of the spine and it's about 1.5 centimeters. Now I'm placing the outer edge on one side of the cover and drawing a line along the length of the spine. Then I'll make a second line 1.5 centimeters away from the first one. Now I'm folding the cover along both the lines one by one. So because of the two folds, the spine of the sketchbook can fit inside the cover properly. The paint has now dried and I'll attach the cover using tape again. Well, that's it. This sketchbook is now ready for use. I hope you found this useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be sending over some virtual cookies if you have stuck all the way to the end. I'll see you soon. Bye.